In this video, we will understand the necessary guidelines related to the mounting orientation of SolaHD DIN rail mount power supplies. All SolaHD DIN rail power supplies were designed to operate to its full output ratings when mounted in a vertical upright position on a standard horizontal DIN rail. This allows the power supply to correctly dissipate heat through convection cooling via the chimney effect or stack effect method. The chimney effect or stack effect is the tendency of air or gas in a vertical passage to rise when it is heated, because its density is lower than that of the surrounding air or gas. However, if the SolaHD power supply will be mounted in a different orientation other than what is recommended, extra caution must be taken to avoid thermal damage or overheating of the power supply. Here are the important guidelines when installing or mounting SolaHD DIN rail power supplies. First, if the unit will be mounted in a different orientation, the continuous operating output rating must be derated to 50%. Secondly, if the unit is mounted on a vertical DIN rail, it is at risk of sliding down the rail due to its weight. Therefore, it is recommended to use a DIN rail stopper or other means to secure the power supply on the DIN rail. Lastly, follow the recommended free space or clearance around the power supply unit to maintain proper airflow and ventilation. For any technical questions or concerns regarding SolaHD products, please call us at 1-800-377-4384 for proper assistance. Thank you for watching.